Okay, next dear students. So problem number 5. Already 4 problem is completed. So next I am going to problem number 5. So that is prove that b plus c, q plus r, y plus z, c plus a, r plus p, z plus x, a plus b, p plus q, x plus y is equal to 2 into determinants of a, b, x, b, q, y, c, r, z. So here LHS, this one is LHS. Then show using some conditions means operating R1 or R2 or R3, otherwise column 1, column number 2, column number 3. So then find out that values. Here I am taking first LHS. So LHS means this is, so LHS is equal to b plus c, 2 plus r, y plus z, c plus a, r plus p, z plus x, a plus b, p plus q, x plus y. So LHS, and then this one to take determinants of a, otherwise no problem. So first I am taking r1 plus r2 minus r3. We are operating r1 plus r2 minus r3. That is r1 dash is equal to, I am going to operate here. First r1. What type of operating? R1 dash is equal to R1 plus R2 minus R3. So in this case, add R1 plus R2, then subtract R3 values. So not values, elements. So okay, R1 dash means this one, b plus c, 2 plus r, y plus z. What type of operation? R1 plus R2 minus R3 type. Okay, first element is what? B plus C. You write here. B plus C. First element B plus C. Second element is what? C plus A. Plus this plus C plus A. You understand? This is first element of the R1. This is first element of the R2. Next minus should come close the bracket like this. First element of the R3, A plus B. A plus B. Simplify this. B plus C plus C plus A. Remove this bracket. Minus A minus B. Here plus C minus A cancel. Minus B plus B cancel. 1C plus 1C, 2C. Result is 2C. Did you understand this one? Very simple. Once again, here I am going to operating R1 dash. Operating R1. What type of? R1 plus R2 minus R3. You take corresponding elements. R1. R1 first element is what? B plus C. Look here. B plus C. Plus. Okay. R2. First element C plus A. C plus A. Okay, minus third element, third row first element, A plus B. So here remove this bracket, minus into plus minus. So B and A cancel, remaining 1C plus 1C, 2C. Okay, so 2C. Next I am going to in second element operations. So next second element of the first row, Q plus R, write Q plus R plus R2, R plus P minus should come close the bracket best. R3, P plus Q, P plus Q, Q plus R plus R plus P minus into plus minus P minus into plus minus Q plus P minus P cancel plus Q minus Q cancel 1 R plus 1 R 2 R. Right here 2 R. Okay, same as it is in third element. So third element in first row y plus z. Right here y plus z. R1 y plus z. Next row number 2 third element plus R2 z z plus x, z plus x minus r3 minus to come close the bracket r3 is equal to what? X plus y plus z, z plus x minus y plus x cancel, plus y minus y cancel, 1z plus 1z 2z. So then remaining value c plus a plus b, r plus p, p plus q, z plus x plus y. Okay. So next, so our operation completed. So next you see row number 1. Row number 1, 2 is present in all elements, first element and second element and third element. This is row number 1. In first element 2 is present, second element 2 is present, third element is 2 is present. That's why taking 2 common from R1, taking 2 common, taking 2 common from R1, common from R. Taking 2 common from R1, so here 2 take outside, C remaining, R, Z. Next C plus A, R plus P, Z plus X, A plus B, P plus Q, X plus Y. Okay. So next I am going to do an operations. R2 dash is equal to R2 minus R1. So R2 dash is equal to R2 minus R1. Okay, 2 into determinants R1 C R Z. Yes, I am going to next operate R2 minus R1. Today we can R2 first element is what? C plus A minus R1 first element is what? C plus A minus C. C plus A minus C plus C minus C cancel. Remaining value is A. So write here A. Did you understand? So R2 first element is C plus A minus R1 first element is C plus C minus C cancel A. Okay na? So next second element R2 R plus P minus R1 R plus P minus R plus R minus R cancel. Remaining value is P. ನಿಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಲ್ಲ ಸೈಡ್ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ z plus x minus z plus z minus x cancel. Remaining x. Okay, next one is a plus b, b plus q, x plus y. Okay, next another operations is there. Very simple operations. R3 dash is equal to R3 minus R2. R3 minus R2. So two determinants. First C R Z A P X. Okay, next I am going to operate to R3. R3 dash is equal to R3 minus R2. You see, R3 first element A plus B minus R2 first element A plus B minus A. Here which one cancel? Plus A minus A cancel. Remaining is what? B. You write here B. Simple subtraction. This one simple subtraction. Okay. Next, second element P plus Q minus R2 P. P plus Q minus P plus P minus P cancel. Remaining Q. Q. Next, x plus y minus x plus x minus x cancel y. right here y. Okay, this is not RHS, you see. So this one is first element b, this one is first element, first row a b x, next to b q y, next to c r z. Okay, but next here, so already we know that property number 2. Property number 2 is what? Any two rows or column interchange, sign is changes. Sign is also changed. Sign means plus is there, plus should be changed, minus should be changed, plus. So here, according to this determinants, plus 2 is there. I am going to here interchange the rows, 2 rows. So then plus 2 you should convert it to minus 2. Okay. So I am taking like this first determinants. So here interchanging 2 R2 to R1, R1 to R2. First I am writing APX, APX, C, R, Z, Q, Y. Okay, reduction by property number 2. Property number 2, rows are column interchange, sign is also determinant sign is changes. Determinant sign is plus is there, plus should be changed, minus is there, minus should be changed, plus. Because here plus 2 is there, that's why I write here minus 2. Did you understand? Take care here. According to property, interchange any row or any column. Any row or column, I am here interchanging row only. So here first row go to second row go to first row. That's why plus 2 interchange minus. Okay. Next minus 2 into minus 2 APX, write APX, no problem, APX. Next I am going to interchanging R2 to R3, R3 to R2, B, Q, Y, C, R, Z. So to get the sign is minus. This minus and this minus, minus into minus, here minus into minus, plus 2. You see, this is RHS. This is RHS. 2 into determinants of APX, BQY, CRZ. Okay? Okay, write this. Okay, next problem number 6. Show that determinants 0A minus B, minus A 0 minus C, B C 0 is equal to 0. Okay, by using the properties of determinants. Okay, next I am taking LHS. LHS left hand side is equal to 0 A minus B minus A 0 minus C, B, C, 0. Okay? So here I am going to do operations, that is R2 dash. I am going to operate to R2 dash is equal to B into R2. This means in R2 multiplied by B. And then R3 dash is equal to A into R3. A into element of R3 multiplied by A to R3. Okay? So first, look here, 0 A minus B. 0 A minus B. R2 dash, this is R2 dash. Look here, B element to R2. First element A into B, AB minus AB. Okay na? Really. Look here, B into R2. B elements na R2 elements automatic करना है. B B into A, BA, minus. This is minus. Next, second element to 0. 0 into B, 0. Okay. Next, minus C. Third element, minus C into B, minus BC. R2 dash is completed. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ R2 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ B ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. B into A, B into 0, B into C. ಓಕೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ R3 dash R3 ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವ್ದು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? A. So elements of R3 multiplied by A. A into B, AB. A into B, AB. A into C, AC. A into 0, 0. Okay? So this is one step. So next I am going to operate R2 dash. R2 dash is equal to R2 plus R3. R2 plus R3. So okay, first elements, first row 0, A minus B. R2 dash means this one. R2 first element plus second element minus AB plus AB. ನೋಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. R2 plus R3. Okay, R2 first element minus AB. R3 first element plus AB. Minus AB plus AB. Minus AB plus AB cancel. So result is 0. Did you understand? Minus AB plus AB cancel 0. Second element R2. Note ಇಲ್ಲಿ R2 plus R3. Second element R2 0 plus R3 AC. 0 plus AC, AC. Next, minus BC, third element. Here third element 0. Minus BC plus 0, minus BC. Next, AB, AC, 0. Okay, next I am going to operate. So expanding here, column number 1. In previous problem, all problems expanding only row. So this problem is special, expanding here column. Same as it is. So which elements, which elements so for example 0 is there. Okay, 0, AB. This is column number 1. So AC, column number 2, minus B, minus BC, 0. This is column number 3. So I am going to expand column number 1 only. So simple. So one question is created. So what type of questions? So you take row number 1, southern row number 1. So I am going to here column number 1 because some reason is there. Column number 1, it is in what? 2 zeros. First element 0. Second element 0. Simplification is very simple. That's why I am taking column. Otherwise, no reason. Okay? Look here. So 0 into close this column and row. Otherwise, you know the result 0 into any number is 0. So don't take that 0 plus 0, 0. Next alternate sign plus minus 0 into any number 0. Plus minus plus AB into close this row column remaining to see A minus B, AC minus BC plus into minus A into BC, A, BC. Next minus look here plus into minus into minus plus AC into B, ABC. Okay, next 0 minus 0 0 plus minus ABC plus ABC cancel. 0 into number 0, that is equal to So this is 0. Okay. So otherwise you write directly 0 0 next 0 plus 0 that is equal to 0. Okay, 0 is RHS. So one thing in previous problem expanding only rows, this problem expanding column only, because in two elements or 0, that's why easily to get result, that's why I am taking in first column. Okay, did you understand this one? Once again, 0 first element 0 0 to number 0 plus minus 0 0 to number 0 next plus minus plus AB. Plus AB means close this column and row. You see plus into minus minus ABC into minus ABC. So next plus into minus 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 into formula minus plus AC into the ABC. Here also minus ABC plus ABC cancel 0 0 into number 0, that is RHS. Okay, right now.